Hey, it's Matt for Miller's Auto Recycling here. Today we've got a 2014 Honda Accord, stock number 263010, and it was in a rear end collision. This vehicle comes equipped with a 2.4 liter engine that's naturally aspirated, and this one seems to be running fine. This vehicle comes with cloth electric adjustable seats, and this engine has 161,033 kilometers. If you'd like to inquire about parts on this vehicle, make sure to give Miller's Auto Recycling a call for pricing and availability. Thanks for watching.